You use AI at work, so does everyone around you. Good, it makes you faster and nobody serious is asking you to stop. This video is about the one habit that keeps it safe. 5 minutes, no lecture. Here is the part most people never think about. When you paste something into an AI chatbot, it does not stay on your computer. It travels to the provider's servers. Depending on the tool and the account, it can be stored, reviewed, or used to train future models. Which means a fragment of it can surface later in an answer to someone outside your company. So the skill is knowing what never goes in. Passwords, API keys, anything that unlocks something. Customer details, names, emails, order history, support conversations, colleague information, salaries, reviews, anything HR, unreleased numbers, revenue, forecasts, deal terms, and source code unless your company has said that tool is approved for it. If the list feels like a lot, use the shortcut I use. Before you paste, ask, would I email this to a stranger outside the company? If the answer is no, it does not go into the AI tool either. That one question catches almost everything. Second habit, use your work account on approved tools. Your personal login puts company data somewhere the company cannot see it, cannot protect it, and cannot delete it. Same tool, same answers. The account is what changes the protection around it. You will find new AI tools you want to use. That is a good instinct. Just do not sneak them in on a personal email. Ask IT or security to approve it. At most companies, that takes days, not months, and then you can use it without thinking twice. Now, some companies, including ours, run a safety net. Watch what happens when I paste a customer's email into ChatGPT. The sensitive parts get caught and masked before they ever reach the AI. The question still works, and the customer's details never reach the model. If you see something like this, you are not in trouble. It is the seatbelt doing its job. And if it catches something it should not have, flag it. That helps everyone. Last habit. AI answers sound confident even when they are wrong. Numbers, names, dates, code, check them before they leave your hands. You own what you ship, not the model. So, nothing you would not email a stranger. Work account, approved tools, verify before you ship. That is genuinely it. Keep using AI. Just keep your company's data yours. If this was useful, send it to your IT or security team. There is a free rollout kit for them at aona.ai/learn.